The 140A Stick Welder 2-in-1 MMA TIG is a versatile tool that offers both stick and lift TIG welding modes, making it suitable for a variety of metal materials like stainless steel and mild steel. Featuring a user-friendly digital display, this welding machine allows for precise adjustments of parameters such as welding current and electrode diameter, ensuring optimal performance for any task. The device boasts synergic control, automatically aligning the electrode diameter and workpiece thickness with the selected welding current, which enhances efficiency and weld quality. Its portable and durable design, combined with IGBT power devices, ensures that users can rely on the welder's performance and easily transport it using the included carrying strap. A complete set of welding tools is provided with the purchase, including an arc welding machine, welding handle, earth clamp, carrying strap, and 10 welding rods, ensuring you have everything needed to get started. Beginners will find this welder particularly appealing due to its adjustable hot start and arc force features, which make learning and achieving beautiful welds more accessible.